In the era of value-driven healthcare, biosimilars are no longer just cost-effective alternatives. They are shaping the future of global biologic medicine. But succeeding in this complex domain requires more than scientific development. It calls for an integrated strategy across regulation, production, and market access. Welcome to Royd Training's Advanced Certification in Biosimilar Strategic Management, a first-of-its-kind online program designed to empower professionals with the complete skill set to drive biosimilar commercialization forward. This course delivers comprehensive, hands-on training covering every stage of the biosimilar lifecycle, from early development and regulatory approvals to optimized manufacturing and strategic global launch. Key learning areas include biosimilar development, understanding comparability, clinical studies, and totality of evidence. Product class-specific insights, exploring development pathways for monoclonal antibodies, insulins, and more. Biosimilar pathways and approval process. Production strategy, mastering scale-up, QBD, and process optimization. Market access planning, value dossier preparation, pricing, tendering, and HTA strategies. Strategic launch execution, applying simulations and case studies for real-world readiness. This course bridges science with business acumen, giving you the confidence to manage biosimilar products in globally competitive environments. Whether you're working in regulatory affairs, research and development, business development, or market access, this course is your competitive edge in the biosimilar space. The program is fully online and self-paced, so you can learn anytime, anywhere. Upon successful completion, you earn a globally recognized certification that validates your expertise. Join today and become a leader in biosimilar strategy and commercialization. Visit www.royd.in and get more details about Biosimilar Strategic Management course.